Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Google Play Store not working. So if Google Play Store is not working in your mobile, in your Android mobile, what you have to do is, first of all I am going to show you that you will see this message on your Google Play Store. When you open your Google Play Store, you will see this message. So how to solve it? So I'm going to solve this problem in my mobile. And if you guys are thinking that my internet is off, so I'm going to, here you will see that,
Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube.
here you will see that my internet is working perfectly. So I am going to show you how to solve this problem. So first of all, to solve this problem, you have to go into your mobile setting, and in your mobile setting, here you will see apps option, or if you are not getting this option, you just search app in your mobile in your setting, and here you will see many options, but you have to go into the apps, go into the apps, and here you have to find Google Play Store. So here is Google Play Store. Now go here, click on it, and here you will see permissions option, notification, allow storage. Just click on the storage, and here you have to clear cache. Click on it and clear data, also click on it. And now go back, and one thing you have to do is go back and go back again, and here you will see Google Play services. Click on it and click on again storage and clear cache. So like this. Now I'm going to try again later. Now you have to refresh it like this, and I am going to open my Play Store again. So now you will see that my Play Store is working again. So like this you can solve the problem Google Play Store is not working in your mobile. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.